Well, last week I saw this making rounds, and it was like they had gone ahead to open up a case on Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, and everyone was waiting to see whether this was right. And indeed, it was right, and the Daily Monitor has come up and obviously confirmed us that court interim remanded for sharing records about Bobi Wine's case without permission. Welcome to the African Stains, and Broken David is my name. Now, a law student has been charged and remanded to prison by Gulu Grade 1 Magistrates Court on allegations of photographing and sharing information on court criminal register without authorization. Oh my God. Grace Gloria Laka, an interim student pursuing diploma in law at the Law Development Center, appeared before Grade 1 Magistrate Miriam Omhoro on Friday on charges related to Computer Misuse Act and sharing information without authorization. So, that means it was really right, and she shared the information of a case that has been put on Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. Laka was doing her clerkship at the Gulu High Court when she reportedly committed the offense. Court had that between March 6th and 9th, 2026 at Gulu High Court. Miss Laka shared information on social media without authorization. Laka is also battling charges related to the Computer Misuse Act. She, however, pleaded not guilty to the charges. According to the court documents, investigations in the matter are complete, and the state has informed court that they are ready to prosecute the case. Oh, it's really getting serious. Her attempts to get released on bail hit a snag after her lawyers were informed that the state attorney supposed to handle her case was locked up at the High Court for another criminal session. She was remanded until March 17th, when she's expected to reappear in court for her bail application hearing. Guys, it's really serious. And when you see the DPP making those moves that are really unprecedented, that means the government is hugely interested in this case. And I tell you they are. Because he's now playing mouse and cat. According to the sources at police and court, Lake's charges reportedly stem from the sharing of a court recording indicating that Mr. Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu alias Bobi Wine, the National Unity Platform president, is charged with making false statements. The offense contravenes Section 25, 9 of the Penal Code Act. In the Criminal Court Register, a copy of which was seen by this publication, Mr. Kyagulanyi is also facing charges related to making false statement concerning character. The case, whose details are scanty, was first filed on March 6th, 2026 at Gulu Police Station. Mr. Henry Komakech Chilama, one of Lake's lawyers, informed court that his client was photographed and fingerprinted and questioned the motive. He, however, did not disclose who took the photos and fingerprints of his client. So that is it, coming in through from the Daily Monitor, credible source. Court interim remanded for sharing records about Bobi Wine's case without permission. Now, Bobi Wine has always gone ahead to say, they are looking for me, and now, finally, this has confirmed to us that the regime is looking for Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, though the government has on several occasions come out and said they are not looking for him, and they're like, Bobi Wine is not a wanted man. Yesterday, but one of the police officers appeared into the park committee, questioned about what police is doing at Bobi Wine's premises. They said they are guarding it such that nothing happens. Posed the question to him, where were you when they went ahead and obviously attacked that house and really harassed the wife of Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, who goes by names of Bobi Kyagulanyi? He said, that's why we are still at that house, to see such things don't really happen. So guys, it's really funny how government runs in Uganda, but here the African Stains, because we cover the entire African continent, we bring you news from all over the world. And this is Broken David. Hope you guys are really having fun, and good night to those going to bed. But there is the successor of Ayatollah. Huge shocking story coming from America that he's wounded, and that means USA and Israel might have gone ahead to make an attempt onto the guy. Bye-bye.